My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked a decade with Internal Revenue Service. And if you are a doctor or a physician and you owe IRS tax debt, it's going to loom large. And when the IRS comes out to collect the money, it would be somebody, in fact, like myself. I have a team of former IRS agents, and we know exactly what IRS is going to do when they come out to work their case. I just want to tell you a little about that and what you have to do to protect yourself really moving forward. IRS is going to send you a series of IRS notices, and when you get the last notice, the CP 504, it's going to come certified, and at that point in time, you're going to have to deal with the IRS tax debt. I've worked so many cases, it's just such a simple thing to do. When we get the case, we get a power of attorney, we file it with IRS, and then we negotiate the process. Your case is going to close one of three ways with Internal Revenue Service. IRS is going to ask for a financial statement, both personal and business, and when they get that, you may be able to settle the debt through the offer and compromise program if you're eligible. Many of you may wind up in reasonable payment agreements, and some of you may have the debt written off temporarily because your financial statement shows you can't pay the tax. One of the things that's critical and really important that you need to know is you've got to start making current payments right now to show IRS you're rehabilitative. So that's number one, is to get back in the system and start making estimate payments. Or if you own a business, make your 941 payments. Once you do that and file all your returns, IRS wants to know that you want to work with them. You should listen to me. I've been on Fox Business News twice, not advertising. I've been on there. They've asked my opinion. I've been on Fox twice, ABC, The Briefing Room, News Nation, and Newsmax. I have a very large network that follows me. On YouTube, I have over 2,200 subscribers, and I'm trying to let you know what you have to do when you have IRS debt. Remember, you want to answer those final notices. If not, especially if you're a doctor or physician, IRS can come in and take your bank account. They can go ahead and take your Medicare and other people that you get money from. So I just want you to know, if you haven't filed your tax returns, what we do is we file your returns and get you current. And we really are your buffer between Internal Revenue Service. Like I said, I've worked so many cases. If you're a doctor, physician, anyone who's in that medical industry, we're kind of experts in this, and we know really how to handle those cases. And more important, we know how to go ahead and protect you and your interests. So feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you so very much.